Hey guys, Kamizzle here with a Kamizzle Fast here with another chemistry video. Today we'll be doing limiting reactants. Things you need to know before this is stoichiometry. If you don't know how to do that, you're gonna be completely lost on how to do this. So make sure you know that first. Boom, bada bang. All right, let's go. The 5 steps to do a limiting reactant problem are as follows: find the number of moles of reactant 1 being used. You know how to do that. Find the molar ratio of said reactant to any product. You also know how to do that. Multiply moles of reactant 1 by molar ratio. You know how to do that. Write that down. So those are the first 3.5 steps, and those are the exact steps for a stoichiometry problem. Here's where it turns different. And then you repeat steps 1 to 3 for the other reactant. Whichever produces the least product, the lower final number, is the limiting reactant. That's how you do it. Let's do a quick example. Okay, so based off the following equation, when using 4.04 grams of hydrogen and 64.0 grams of oxygen, is hydrogen or oxygen the limiting reactant? And here's the balanced equation: 2H2 plus O2 yields 2H2O. So, for reactant 1, hydrogen, find the moles from the given. The problem gives us 4.4 grams, and the molecular mass of H2 is 2.02. Like I said, don't know how to do this, check out stoichiometry. That would be 2 moles of H2. Alright, step 2, find molar ratio. If you know how to do that, stoichiometry video, check it out. 2 moles H2O to 2 moles H2 is our ratio, which is the same as 2 over 2, and multiply the two steps together. 2 moles H2 times 2 over 2 equals 2 moles of H2O would be produced from the hydrogen. And now we just do the exact same for the oxygen. So step 1, find moles. The problem gives us 64 grams of O2 divided by 32, because that's molecular mass, equals 2 moles of O2. Whoa, same number of moles, alright? Molar ratio, 2 moles of H2O to 1 mole of O2 to 1 mole O2, which is the same as 2 over 1. Step 3, multiply 2 moles of O2, which we found in step 1, times 2 over 1 equals, wow, that was pathetic, it took me that long, 4 moles of H2O would be produced from that amount of oxygen. Okay, so which one is the limiting reactant? Let's go back to the 5 steps. Whichever produces the least product is the limiting reactant. The least, because it's the one that's limiting the reaction. It is the product that runs out first, which makes the reaction stop. So in this case, you got 2 moles from the hydrogen, and you got 4 moles from the oxygen. So since 2 moles is less than 4 moles, hydrogen is the limiting reactant. That's how you do the problems. Just to be clear, you can pick any product to find the molar ratio of and then multiply. In this case, there's only one product, only H2O, but for a different problem where there's more than one, you can just choose either product. Just make sure you use the same product for both parts, for both reactants. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like this video, do me a big favor and click that share button with anybody that you think needs help with this subjecto. And if you're confused or have any more questions, check out my website, www.kamizzle.com, and I'll see you next time.